With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this problem, we have given to increase the angular magnification of simple microscope. We should increase, that means what parameters we should increase such that there is the increase in the angular magnification of the simple microscope. Simple question. So as we know that for near point magnification of simple microscope can be given as 1 plus d by f, and for far point magnification can be given as d by f, where power of lens can be given as p equals to 1 by f. That means this expression will be 1 plus d into power, and this will be d into power. So here we can say that if we increase the power of a lens, in both case here and here, the magnification of simple microscope will increase. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.